Oh, hey guys. Glad you could stop in. I'm just dusting models with my new Spotlight Hobbies dust brush. Pretty cool little thing, isn't it? And it's retractable. Well, I'm glad you guys stopped by because I got some stash ads from Spotlight Hobbies I want you guys to check out. So if you're interested in seeing what I got from Spotlight, stick around. That intro was kind of cornball, wasn't it, guys? But seriously, I do have some stash ads I want you guys to peep that I picked up from Spotlight Hobbies. And I went over there and stopped over there today to see Matt and Dawn to see how things were going. Things are going pretty well at Spotlight Hobbies. And I ordered a kit and I went to go pick it up. And Matt wanted me to remind you guys that Spotlight not only has all the latest releases, but they have older releases as well as lots of vintage kits. So get on over to www.spotlighthobbies.com, use their search function on their website, and punch in what you're looking for. You'll be surprised what they have. www.spotlighthobbies.com. Alright guys, without further ado, let me show you what I picked up today. So the first one here is the Don Garlitz Winds Jammer. Now, I got this one specifically for a build that I'm going to be doing, and I want you guys to look out for the announcement about this build probably tomorrow, I guess. But anyway, I want to thank Pappy, Fred Henry, for mentioning this specific kit here, this front engine dragster. Pappy, thank you very much. You know what this is intended for. So yeah, this thing is pretty much sealed inside, open box, but everything is as it should be, and I will be building this up real soon on the channel. Looking pretty good, doesn't it? That's a pretty cool looking dragster. Old school front engine dragster. Big Daddy Don Garlitz. Alright, the next one is one I've wanted for quite a long time. Look at that. It's a Gulf livery GT40. Got some extra decals up here. I haven't opened the box, so I don't know, if they have decals on the inside too, and this is just an extra purchase or extra decals, whatnot. But we'll see. I love GT40s. I don't know why, but I love these cars. I'm fascinated with them. All right, so this is another kit. This isn't exactly the kit that I wanted, but I've been wanting one of these for a while, and it's the Pantera GTS. And you know, guys, I'm starting to think that I'm a closet Ford fan. There's a lot of cars. I realize there are a lot of cars that I like that are all Fords. So don't tell Tony Lancer, will ya? Or Craig. Those guys are Ford guys. I'm, supposed to be a Chevy guy. I don't know what the hell's going on, but so this one is, pretty much a curbside type deal. It doesn't have an engine and stuff like that, but I think it's going to turn out pretty good. This one, unfortunately, well, it's not too bad. Somebody went and sprayed, wet sanded, and polished the body, and it's got a little bit of polish that needs to be cleaned out of the nooks and crannies and stuff. Some cleanup to be done. It's not a terrible paint job. I don't know if I would have chosen black to do this, but you never can tell. So yeah, the Di Tommaso Pantera. I love these cars, and I don't know why. Ford powered. And who knows, maybe I'll cut open that engine cover and stuff some big gnarly Ford engine in there. Who knows? So yeah, guys, I want to thank Matt and Dawn over at Spotlight Hobbies for sponsoring the channel and being good friends to me. They're awesome people. I love going over there and visiting with them, and every time I'm over there, I can't tear myself away. The conversation is just too good. But they take care of me too, and I love working with them. So if you will, www.spotlighthobbies.com. Let them know that Rob from Time Machine Scale Model sent you over there. Alright guys, that's all I got. Thanks for watching this video. Happy modeling.